Today I'm going to teach you how to make roasted plantain with a griddle pan or empty pan, and also AKPAKA sauce that is going to go well with this roasted plantain. Stay tuned to the channel. Let me teach you how I do this in the comfort of my home. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. Firstly, let's make our AKPAKA sauce in an empty pot. Heat up palm oil, don't bleach please. Then add in your sliced onions into it, fry a bit. Then add in your roughly blended Scotch bonnet peppers and onions into it. Fry for a bit, don't over dry it. Then when this is fried a bit, add in your seasoning cubes, salt to taste, mix and make sure everything is in the right proportion. Then add in your AKPAKA, that is the oil bean. Some call it Oba, anything you call it, or AKPAKA, anything is the same thing. Then you mix and then add back in your well seasoned Pomo, cow skin. Mix it into some sauce. Stir. At this time everything is all done. Then you add in your Utazi leaves, stir a bit, and then your sauce is so very ready to be enjoyed. So we bring it down and let's go over to the roasting of our plantain. I eat roasted plantains anytime I want, and I don't have oven or I don't have charcoal to do this, and it tastes even better than the charcoal one. So in a griddle pan, you can also do this with an empty pot. Add your ripe plantains, cover up, open up and turn occasionally till you find out that it's cooked, it's well cooked. You notice the color begins to change. What I normally do is I allow it to get burnt. I just purposely do this. I allow it get burnt. I want to get that flavor of roasted plantain, and trust me guys, it's one of the best. I'll do this till I'm sure the plantain is well done. You will notice it will begin to shrink and begin to change in color and all that, and your plantain is so ready to be enjoyed with our AKPAKA sauce. This is my local food. I normally buy out on the street, but I can now make this anytime I want at home, and it's so delicious. Trust me guys. Thanks for watching. Check out all the recipes on the description or on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the other recipe video. Bye.